You're watching DelmarvaLife. What a stunning sight this is. There's just something about vines getting ready to grow for the season that just, it's hard to not look at. Well, we are so excited to be here at Layton's Chance Vineyard and Winery today in beautiful Vienna. And I'm here with Jen Layton, who is the Jen Earl manager here at Layton's Chance. And here's the deal. I love looking at the vines, okay? But a lot of people are gonna love seeing these.
The wines.
Because, exactly. And these two specifically, because these ones are back from the past, right?
Yes. So we've been out for a few months of our Harvest Blush, which is similar to like a White Zinfandel.
Ooh, okay. Love
and
that.
then our Lazy Day Rosé is actually a real dry rosé. So it's a blend of Chambourcin and Vidal. So it's a nice summer wine. So it's good to kick off this nice weather with.
Oh, people are going to be really jazzed about that,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, that one's been gone for about a year and a half.
Oh my goodness.
So, yeah.
People are going to be running here for that.
We're excited. We're very excited to have it back.
That's awesome. And there's a lot going on that you're excited about. Coming up this weekend, Mother's Day, you have a lot going on, right?
Yep, we've got music with Kindred Spirit from 1 to 4. We did have a lunch that you could pre-order, but you don't have to have the lunch to come out. Gotcha. We got plenty of picnic areas. You might want to bring a chair and have your own picnic here. Ooh. But yeah, come out and enjoy the wine and the music. It's a great day.
Awesome. And then you've got a big celebration coming up towards the end of the month, right?
Yep, May 25th is our 14th anniversary.
So woo woo!
It's hard to believe, it's been 14 years, so we're very excited.
Yeah.
So we will have our birthday bash on the 25th, which is actually National Wine Day. So,
well, that worked out, Jen.
Yeah, we planned it that way from the beginning.
I'm sure you did.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're very excited, and we have a big sale that weekend. Perfect. All our Joe's Cool Red and Turbos and Joe's Cool White, they are all back to our throwback prices of $10 a bottle for the Joe's Red and White and $15 for the Turbos.
I'm sure people love those prices.
Yes.
That is awesome. So that's going to be a blast. But, you know, obviously it's kind of spring, almost summer. This is when people kind of get excited about going to the vineyard, the winery. But what if people have maybe never been here before and they're kind of like a little intimidated because they don't know like how it works? Like, what do I do? How does it kind of work?
Well, first of all, I will say we are not a pretentious winery. We want to demystify wine for people. So we want people to feel comfortable coming in. And, you know, you can come do a tasting. We do 5 different wines that you can pick. We have like 21 wines, but 5 are in a tasting. And we'll help guide you to what do you like to drink and talk to you and just help you out and see where you want to go from there.
I think that's the way it should be. I love that.
Yeah.
And how have things been kind of over the last few months? How are things going for you guys?
We're good. We're doing a lot of work gearing up for the season. So getting ready. We'll have our summer concert series as well. Wow. So a lot of events going on.
Yeah, how do you manage all that and running the winery at the same time?
It's a great team.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Absolutely. We have a great team here, and they're great because they don't just pour wine, but they give great ideas too.
Yeah, that's amazing. And can we also talk about what's new is these new teas?
Yes. Yeah.
Jen, I love it.
Yes, yeah, on the back it says I make poor decisions at Layton's Chance, so.
That is awesome.
Yep.
All right. Is there anything else you want people to know maybe before they come out to any of the events or just think about coming here throughout the
often for the larger events, bring a lawn chair because we only have so much seating.
Perfect.
So definitely bring a lawn chair, and you are always, whether we have a food truck or not, you are still allowed to bring your own picnic lunch here. But we do also have charcuterie.
Ooh, people love charcuterie.
Yeah.
That's the best. Awesome. Well, Jen, thank you so much. And I'm excited for this whole season for you guys.
Thank you.
Can't
Me
wait.
too.
And I'm going to figure out which one of these that I have to try next. So we're going to be doing that.
All right.
All right.
Sounds
we'll be
good.
right back.